in Zurich! Mana ba siya?
At least ito mo.
Hindi, alam. No. Go.
Sige, go.
Sarap!
Nakikita to?
Point of view.
Sarap! Cute ng aso ko. Saint Bernard ba yan? And ay, shit!
Naman. Ito pala siya dito.
Sarap.
Yeah.
I-try natin ito. Tapos, i-roll dito.
Ano? Anong bird?
Yung man lang naka-cube na, alam mo yun?
Sarap ng bestseller.
Pero wala nang silbi yung Starbucks na yun, no?
Wala na.
Wala na siyang
I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.
Congrats! Bali naman yung sober. So, visit po. Yay! Cebu Park.
We got time on our side.
Video.
When I stayed home, I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my
Ano
way.
yung ulan na nga, Asar? Ang beauty queen sa rampa.
So, vlog takeover. Good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa Sibuyan. Tour namin. Tutour ko kayo. Kunwari nagja-jogging ako, guys. Every day when I wake up. Dito tayo ngayon sa kwarto. Tangi! Pagod ako! Hi! Say hi to my vlog.
Hey.
Hey, vlog.
Vlog.
So, ayan, papunta kami ngayon sa dam.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning! Hi!
Hi guys!
So, we're now
Welcome back.
going to dam. Tawag dito ay dam. Ayan! So, papakita namin sa inyo yung dam. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linis. Parang skin ko. Ayan, no? Kita nyo yan?
We can do better. Oh yeah, we can do better. I know it hurt bad, your mom left you dead when you were a little girl.
Pagod ako. Kita nyo to, guys.
Parang abused.
Kikita.
Wala na ito.
Kita nyo yan, guys.
Ayun.
Yan yung ano, yan yung kapalit ng saya dito sa Romblon. Kaya always think before you book.
Hi girl! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kape ko.
Good morning, kakagising ko.
Ayaw magpatalo.
We see is bad blood and mistakes. All we hear is sad songs, but heartbreaks. And no matter how long it takes, we're not gonna give up. We can do better. We can do better. And nothing lasts forever. We can do better. I'm not worried 'cause the thing is, we can do better. I know you and I are different. We can do better. I don't wanna overthink it. We can do better. I know you and I are different. We can do better. When all we see is bad blood and mistakes, all we hear is sad songs, but heartbreaks. And no matter how long it takes, we're not gonna give up. We can do better.
Good morning, guys. So this is our last day here at Romblon. So we're gonna going to wait, pakinggan nyo to. Hello world, nandito tayo ngayon sa Romblon. Papunta tayo sa ating huling destinasyon dito sa ating bakasyon.
Final
Ay, hindi
destination.
pa pala. Kasama po natin ang nag-iisang Kong TV.
Ang itim ko. Ba't ang itim ko naman?
Hindi ka maitim. Ayan po si Ilona Garcia.
Hi everyone!
Ilaw na Garcia.
Ilaw Garcia.
Ilona Garcia. Ayan po si si Zeus Collins.
Ang ganda ng lahat sa kanila, tapos sa akin Kong TV. Putang ina.
Sabihin mo nga, power.
Power.
So hey guys, nandito na kami sa buntot
Ng
ng Mount Giting-Giting. So sometimes, if you feel that you're disconnected sa sarili mo, connect yourself to the nature.
Hermes!
Ate, malalakata ako.
Jesus!
Replay.
Tama Crocs ko ate.
Dumi.
Get.
Jump!
Hi guys.
Hey guys. Lapit. Ganito to kalapit talaga? Or naka-zoom to?
Kung pinindot ko, ganyan mo.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now we are trekking. As you can see, that's my baby.
Hi.
And this is JB. Tanny! Where are we? Pagod na ako. Pagod ako nung pinahawak ni Zeus sa akin tong bag ko. Kanina di ako pinagpapawisan.
Gagudat kasi sabit mo sa ano mo, hindi
Okay.
ganyan.
Diba? Such a good
Nahiya sa
boyfriend.
video. Ganyan pala
Such a
pag mga
good
vlogger,
boyfriend.
nahiya pala sa video yun.
Hindi, kanina siya pahawak, tapos kinuha ko sa kanya.
Liana, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm Aaron. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, you're about to jump out of a plane.
Yeah.
Is it your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
How high are we gonna go?
18,000.
The highest skydive,
highest
eh? Up there. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say to your family or friends before we go?
Sorry, Mom and Dad.
I'm sure you'll be fine, eh?
Yeah.
Let's go and have some fun.
Let's go.
Feel the world turn into a brand new day. Watch the rising of the sun. The shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something let it be our guide. And if we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're on to something
Good, feeling good.
Absolute pleasure taking a scholar.
Yeah, thank you so much, Aaron.
Well done.
Well done.